What particle mediates electromagnetic energy? Photons are elementary particles, a type of boson, that carry electromagnetic energy and act as force carriers. They are responsible for interactions between electrically charged particles. Which part of human body has no blood supply? Instead of receiving oxygen and nutrients from blood vessels, the cornea gets them directly from the air, tear fluid on the surface, and the clear, watery fluid, aqueous humor, on the inside of the eye. Which is most distant man-made object from Earth? Voyager 1, a NASA spacecraft launched in 1977 to study the outer solar system and interstellar space. It is now in interstellar space, having crossed the heliopause, and continues to send back data about its surroundings. What is the strongest natural magnet on Earth? Lodestones are naturally magnetized pieces of the mineral magnetite, acting as natural magnets that can attract iron. They were the first magnets known to humans and were historically used for navigation. What is the hardest known natural material after diamond? Cubic boron nitride is the second hardest known substance, often used in tools for its extreme hardness. Which subatomic particle determines the identity of an element? The subatomic particle that determines the identity of an element is the proton. Each element is uniquely defined by its number of protons, a property known as its atomic number, Z. What is the only letter not found in the periodic table? The only letter not found in the English language periodic table is J. This is because the names of elements are primarily derived from Latin and Greek, languages that did not use the letter J as a distinct character. What is the half-life of carbon-14? The half-life of carbon-14 is approximately 5,730 years, meaning that half of the carbon-14 in a sample will decay into nitrogen-14 over that period. 18. Which is the rarest naturally occurring element on Earth? Astatine is purely radioactive, with its longest living isotope having a lifetime of 8.1 hours. According to estimations, there are less than 1 gram of astatine in the Earth's crust, making it the rarest naturally occurring element. Which wave has the shortest wavelength? Gamma rays have the shortest wavelength of any electromagnetic wave, with wavelengths typically less than 10 picometers, 10 squared meters. This short wavelength corresponds to their extremely high frequency and energy, which are among the highest in the electromagnetic spectrum. Which organelle packages proteins in a cell? The organelle that packages proteins in a cell is the Golgi apparatus, also known as the Golgi complex or Golgi body. It receives proteins from the endoplasmic reticulum, modifies, sorts, and then packages these proteins into vesicles for transport to their final destinations, either inside or outside the cell. Which galaxy is on a collision course with the Milky Way? The Andromeda Galaxy is on a collision course with the Milky Way, but new simulations show there is only about a 50% chance of an actual merger within the next 10 billion years.